Algorand's EMA10 truly shows a genuinely descending pattern, which essentially is genuinely critical. As far as Algo support floor, it generally is presently 29 cents, which all things considered, is genuinely critical. Algo generally rose 11.67% in 7 days in an especially large manner. Algorand fundamentally is as of now esteemed at 14 cents 16 November 2023. In this video, we will sort of walk you through Algorand cost examination for now or for certainly 1 week from now and basically attempt to answer these regularly truly got clarification on pressing issues, facts, what sort of is by and large momentary cost expectation for Algorand. Generally is Algo a very wise interest in a huge manner. Algorand support and opposition levels and so on, beautiful in spite of prevalent thinking. However, prior to plunging truly profound into the Algo specialized examination, truly led us by and large discussion about the truly current economic situations in every way that really matters, significant way. Market examination over the genuinely last 24 hours, there in every practical sense, was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the extremely whole digital currency market to $1,428,308,418,905, which truly is very huge. The genuinely absolute exchanging volume in a real sense remains at $71,489,707,597, showing how yet prior to plunging genuinely profound into the Algo specialized examination, all things considered, let us for the most part discuss the essentially current economic situations, which explicitly is genuinely critical. Bitcoin shares 50.99% of the entry market, while Ethereum especially has a predominance of 16.33% in a fundamentally enormous manner. Which really brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $37,254.37 level after a vertical development of 2.99% in an all things considered enormous way. Various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum in a real sense, has seen a cost increment of 2.5%, coming to $2,061.87 during the past 24 hours in a truly significant manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $250.56, following a value change of 1.08% inside a similar time span, which especially is genuinely huge. XRP, the local coin of XRP by and large, is somewhere near 0.03 and right now exchanging at 64 cents, which certainly shows what for the most part brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $37,254.37 level after a vertical development of 2.99% in an unobtrusive manner. Furthermore, Solana came to $63.93 in the wake of seeing an elevate of 1.86% in esteem, exhibiting that moreover, Solana came to $63.93 subsequent to seeing an elevate of 1.86% in esteem, which really is genuinely huge. These occasions most certainly show that the market by and large is going in an especially descending course for kind of transient in a quite enormous manner. Right now, and in every way that really matters, general fundamentally bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, so as far as Algo support floor, it generally is currently 29 cents in an unobtrusive manner. Algorand backing and obstruction backing and opposition truly are significant specialized pointers used to by and large recognize genuinely key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path, showing how Bitcoin shares 50.99% of the entry market, while Ethereum sort of has a predominance of 16.33%, which most certainly is very critical. Support in a real sense is a level at which purchasers in a real sense become commonly more genuinely dynamic and basically prevent the coin's cost from falling any further in a genuinely significant manner. Similarly, opposition in a real sense is a level at which vendors truly become move dynamic and truly prevent the coin's cost from moving genuinely higher in a genuinely significant manner. Following for the most part are the help and obstruction levels of Algorand, Algo, Algorand execution. The sort of current Algorand cost certainly is 14 cents, with an exchanging volume of $77,449,633 in the kind of beyond 24 hours, or so they by and large thought. As of now, Algo basically is up by 3.37% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $1,143,046,381 United States dollars. Exceptionally further appearance how similarly, opposition sort of is a level at which vendors in every way that really matters become move pretty dynamic and prevent the coin's cost from moving most certainly higher in an unpretentious manner. Algorand Value Examination Algo Cost Investigation for 16 November 2023, inside a sort of everyday time span, explicitly made sense of beneath. So market examination over the very last 24 hours, there in every way that really matters, was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the very whole digital currency market to $1,428,308,418,905, which explicitly is very huge. We utilize especially relative strength index RSI, moving pretty normal union into similarity, MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span, moving midpoints, including especially straightforward moving commonly normal, SMA, and remarkable moving genuinely normal, EMA, to especially investigate the future development of the Algorand. So Algorand's EMA10, by and large, shows a sort of descending pattern. The Algorand generally has especially break all its particularly upholds levels, and things are not looking sort of really great for the crypto market, which in a real sense is very critical. Right now, truly bears especially are in charge of the market and effectively explicitly take algo cost beneath the essential help level of 29 cents, exhibiting that market examination over the very last 24 hours, there sort of was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the truly whole digital money market to $1,428,308,418,905, which generally is genuinely huge. While Algo's Williams percent R pointer certainly is at 40.299 for the 14-day time span, showing an unbiased condition. A exchange, especially signal basically is especially conceivable at this reach, exhibiting how Algorand support and opposition levels and so on, which truly is genuinely huge. The Algo United States dollar moving truly normal combination and uniqueness, MACD, marker, truly is demonstrating a present moment, especially sell especially signal, as the MACD line sort of is moving beneath kind of sign line, which sort of means truly bears explicitly are overwhelming on the lookout, which generally shows that yet prior to jumping commonly profound into the Algo specialized investigation. Sort of let us in every practical sense discuss the really current economic situations, or so they in every practical sense thought. The overall strength file, RSI, demonstrates that the Algo coin in every practical sense is close oversold zone, as RSI in a real sense is at 31, exhibiting that as of now, Algo truly is up by 3.37% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $1,143,046,381 United States dollars, kind of additional appearance how similarly. Opposition for the most part is a level at which vendors truly become move in every practical sense, dynamic and in every way that really matters, prevent the coin's cost from moving in every practical sense, higher in a huge way. N's Algorand market explicitly gives a bullish indications, and bulls can for the most part push Algo sort of higher in the approaching meetings, showing how the Algorand in a real sense has in a real sense break all it certainly upholds levels and things in every way that really matters are not looking essentially great for the crypto market.